Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid electrical hazards. This protects sensors and prevents shorts. Next, have the refrigerant professionally recovered. Do not vent it, because the system must be depressurized before you touch the compressor. Once done, raise the car and remove the engine cover, then release the serpentine belt tensioner and slide the belt off. Finally, remove the lower splash shield to access the compressor bolts and lines. This gives you clear working room and prevents stripped fasteners. You will now label every electrical connector and cap the service ports immediately after disconnecting lines to keep contaminants out. Cleanliness matters for system longevity. Loosen and remove the compressor mounting bolts while supporting the unit, then detach the suction and discharge lines. Expect residual oil. Replace the A/C O-rings with correct size parts and a thin film of PAG oil. If the dryer looks compromised, install a new accumulator. Also check the belt and pulleys, and replace if worn before fitting the new compressor. Install the new compressor, torque the mounting bolts to Mazda specs, reconnect electrical connectors, and reroute the serpentine belt. Once assembled, perform a vacuum. Pull the system to about 500 microns and hold for at least 30 minutes to remove moisture. This step prevents acid formation and compressor failure. After a successful hold, recharge with the exact refrigerant charge shown on the vehicle label. Then run the engine and A/C while monitoring pressures and cabin temperature. If cooling is weak, check for leak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.